Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my cleaning routine for the truck. So the first thing that I do, of course, is to take the truck through the car wash. Now to clean out the inside of the truck, the first thing that I do is take everything out of the truck that doesn't belong in there. And honestly, there wasn't that much in there that didn't belong in there because we try to make it a habit. When we get back from being somewhere, we just bring everything back inside with us that we brought out to the truck or that we bought at the store, whatever, and throw away any trash. And that just helps to maintain a clean vehicle. The next thing that I do is to vacuum out the truck, and I love to use this cordless vacuum. It makes it so much easier. And I just pulled out that floor mat to go and shake it out instead of vacuuming it out because it was pretty full of dirt, and I probably should have hosed down the floor mats. That's the best thing to do, but I didn't really feel like dragging out the hose today. But if the floor mats are really dirty, then I will hose them off. The next thing that I did was to dust out the truck, and I like to use this handheld duster that we got off of the Wish app, and I've seen these other places online that you can get them too. This is just really handy to slide on your hand and quickly dust the truck. Next, I take some surface cleaner and some paper towels or a rag, and I wipe down any spots on the seats, and I wipe down the steering wheel, and I also spray down those floor mats and I wipe them with a paper towel. If I don't take the floor mats out and hose them down, then I will just spray them with the cleaner and then take paper towels and wipe them off. And after all of that, the truck is all clean. Now I'll show you a few of the things that we keep stored in the truck. First off, in the front seat, underneath this middle seat, we have this compartment, and I keep like emergency stuff in here. I have 2 diapers, a pump for the tires, and then we have this unopened first aid kit. And then you can tell that we live in Arizona when we have a umbrella in with our emergency stuff. And then in this middle console, I just keep like little dental flossers, some wet one wipes, tissues, charging cords, pens, there's flashlights in there, etc. And then we have these little bins under the floors in the back seat, and in the one I keep bungee cords, different things like that, and then in the other one I keep Owen's carrier right under the floor beside of his seat, and these will also pull out so you could keep like garbage in there and stuff or whatever. And that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.